Last week we have seen about the data types and variables. Today we are going to see about the increment and decrement operator. That is actually what post and pre-increment, decrement operators over here. That's what we are going to see. So what are the operators? Operators. Okay, operators are of two types. One is unary, another one is binary. These are the two types of operators we have seen. So still now in our college days or school days, we have seen about the binary type of operators. That is, it will have two operands and then one operator. Operator is what? Plus and minus. That's what the operator. Operands are actually what? That value which you are going to give for the operator. Based on that values only, it's going to do the action here. That's the thing. So that's what we have seen till now. One operator and then two operands is what? Binary. And then two operator and one operand. So that is one operand here. That is I plus plus or I minus minus or minus minus I or plus plus I. These things are all called as unary operators. So how? So unary operators, you see, what does that mean? I plus plus or I minus minus or plus plus I minus minus. So these things all called as unary operator. That is, it will have one operand and then two operators. These things are called as actually what? From our side as unary operators. Then binary operators are what? Binary operators are which will have two operands A plus B, that is two operands and then one operator A plus B or A, sorry guys, A minus B or A divided B. These things are called as actually what? Binary operators. One operator is two operands here. We know how to work on with these binary operators. Now we are going to see with the unary operators, which will be used in the programming side. So we have two things. One is post increment or decrement. Another one is we have pre increment or decrement. Guys, for everyone, is my voice is clear? Just ping me in the chat windows. Yes, if you can hear my voice properly, ping me in the chat windows. Yes, if everyone can hear my voice. Okay, cool. Good. Thanks, guys. So first we'll see. So first post increment and then decrement. So name itself says post. Okay. So I will have I plus plus. This is called as post increment. Another one for post decrement is I minus minus. That is first actually what my operand will come. Then after that your operator will come. That's it. Okay. So first the operand. Next after that only you will get the operator. That's what post increment or decrement. Pre-increment or decrement means first operator will come. Plus plus I or minus minus. That's it. Okay. So pre-increment or decrement here. That's what we have. Clear? Anyone has any questions on this? Any questions so far? Okay. I know a little bit you will be confused here. That is, what is this increment, what is this decrement. So these things will be so easy. I'll just cover up for the next 10 minutes, then you will feel more comfortable on the sessions. Okay. So here we have post increment and then post decrement. So what is this I plus plus I minus minus? Okay. So I plus plus means I plus 1. That is what I plus 1. Then I minus minus means I minus 1. That's what I minus minus means I minus 1. So pre-increment means what? Means plus plus I. That is, we have 1 plus I. Then minus minus I. This is 1 minus I. This comes like this. The thing is, only information is what I'm trying means actually what I plus plus or plus plus I, it's going to add 1 with the memory location I. It's going to add 1 with the memory location. I minus minus or minus minus I, it's going to minus 1 with the memory location, that is the I memory location. So how it's going to work, we'll see. So simple example we will take. So right now, integer I is equal to 0. Then I'm going to give integer j is equal to I plus plus. This is what I'm going to give. So now I need to know what is the memory location. So this is I, this is j. This is j. So what is the value of it? So initially, what is the I value? That is 0. J is equal to I plus plus. So when I give I plus plus, so first when I comes, what will happen right now for me? First take the current value of I. What is the current value of I right now? That is 0. 0 will be taken here. Then after that, in my memory location, 1 will be added plus 1. So now it will be 1 here. That's what will happen. Clear? 1 will be added for me here. That's what it's going to do. So for me, int I is equal to 0, int j equal to I plus plus. What will happen means when I give I plus plus, so first for me, what will happen when I comes first, what is the value of I right now here? It is 0. So that 0 will be taken here. Then after that, plus plus. Now I value will be incremented. So I value will be 1, j value will be 0. Clear? That's what it will happen. Okay, I'll give another one more example so you guys will be clear. Now I'm going to give the next one.
Murli,
Yeah, tell me.
so Murli, I have a doubt on this. Like,
Yeah, tell me.
so I is 0 initially, right?
Yes, correct.
And j is holding I plus plus,
Yes, correct.
right? So j should be a 0 plus 1. That should be 1 for j.
No. Okay, you don't take this part. You guys get confused on this. Leave this. Don't take on this. Nothing. Okay, don't take this. You guys get confused. So this is what you have to look on it. Int j is equal to I plus plus means, so what is my I value at the beginning stage?
0.
0. So that 0 will be taken here.
Okay.
Then increment comes plus plus. Now I value will be incremented by 1. Getting? Then I value will be incremented by 1. So that's why now I value will be 1, j value will be what here? That is what 0 was we have taken. That's what 0 came. Understood? Don't take the before concept, take this one. So it will be easy for you to understand. Take this concept along.
No, but still I have a doubt on why j is holding 0.
And that's what. See here. I'll explain one more time. So we'll start from the beginning. So int I is equal to 0. So what is my I value? That is 0. Int j is equal to I plus plus. When I give I plus plus, so first actually what it comes? I. So what is the I value right now?
0.
0. So that 0 will be taken here. Getting? Then after that, now plus plus is there. Now what will happen? It will increment the I value by 1. 0 plus 1 will be what? 1. 1 will be the value of I in the memory location. Now, what is the value of j right now which has been taken before? 0. So 0 will come for the j. Getting?
Okay.
Now, I'll tell you, that's what I told you. I need to explain over there. Still, I have not completed. So, int j is equal to, okay, so I'll take separately, b equal to plus plus I. Okay, so now, what is my a value? What is my b value? So, a and then b. What is my a value right now for me? That is 0 initially. Now, b is equal to plus plus I. When I give plus plus I, first actually what increment is what coming first. So, first increment the I value by plus 1. Sorry, just not I, it is a. A. Okay, so plus plus a. So that means first what? Plus it's coming. So increment the a value by 1. So what will happen right now for me? This will be 1 right. Clear? Now, int b is equal to plus plus a. Now what a comes? What is my a value right now? That is 1. Now 1 will be taken. That is beginning stage, first I comes. So I took the current I value which was 0. Then after that plus plus comes, so I incremented the I value. Here what happens? First plus plus a comes. So first increment comes over there. So increment the a value by 1. Then after that only a comes. So now what is the a value current? It is 1. So 1 will be taken. What is my b value? That is 1 for me right now. Understood? Anyone has any questions on this? Any questions, guys?
Hi Murli, this is Sabil here.
Yeah, yes, Sabir.
Actually, I came late to I joined just now.
Okay.
This is the part till now you have explained.
Yeah. Just now we have started the session.
This topic is like functions or what?
It is post increment and then decrement operator, pre-increment and decrement operator.
Okay.
Okay, that's what.
Okay.
So just now you started actually what with the examples.
Okay.
Any questions, guys? I just want everyone to ping in the chat window as yes, we've understood this concept a lot. Otherwise, I'll explain one more time.
Can you explain one more time, Murli?
Sure. I'll do that. So now, okay. Sure, I'll explain. So I'll take from the beginning. So post increment, that's what we're going to see. Int I is equal to 0. Int j is equal to I plus plus. So now what will be the output for this one? So two variables, one is I, another one is j. This is I, this is j. I variable is what? 0. Int j equal to I plus plus. So first what happens, I is what is coming for me. So what is my I value right now? That is 0. So 0 will be taken for me here. Okay, this plus plus. Okay, now what will happen? It will increment the value of I by plus 1. That is 1, right? That's it. Clearer? Okay, so always the increment will happen to the I value only. Okay, so at what point of time do I take the I value? That is what we are going to give here. Okay, int j equal to I plus plus when I give, first take the I value. When I give plus plus I means first increment the I value and finally only take the I value. That's the thing. So now j value is what? 0. The same thing if I give int I is equal to 0, int j is equal to plus plus, I'll just give I minus minus. Now what will do? So what is my I value? What is my?
As per your explanation, I should be 0 and I should be minus 1 and j should be 0.
Yeah, so this is I and this is j. So I value will be what? 0. Then now I plus plus. So first what? I comes. So what is my value right now? That is 0. So 0 will be taken here. Then minus minus. So now what happened? It will be decrementing the I value by minus 1. So I minus minus. So that's why minus 1. I value will be given minus 1. So now what happened? The value of j will be, sorry, I will be what? Minus 1. Super correct. Okay, so j value is what? 0. Okay. Any questions, guys? Anyone has any questions? Shweta, j equal to I plus plus, so it should be 0 plus 1. That's what I told you. Don't take that concept over there. You guys will get confused. Why again you're taking why you're taking again that concept? That's why I rubbed that information. Don't take that 0 plus 1 or 1 plus. Simple concept is what here? Okay, see here. Int I is equal to 0. Int j is equal to I minus minus. So what is my I value and what is my j value here? That's what we are going to find. So I value will be 0. So Shweta, can you explain me this program so it will be helpful for you to understand? I will also help you. Shweta, you're there? Okay. So next, Shaina, can you hear me? Shaina, you're there? No, Shweta, I can't hear you. Shaina, I can't hear you also. Om Prakash? Hello, hey, Om Prakash, you're there?
Yes, Malik, sir, I can explain.
Yeah, good. Can you explain me what will happen?
Yeah, sure. So initially I is equal to assign 0 and we want j as I minus minus.
Yeah.
So the second step would be assigning the j value which is equivalent to I.
Yes.
That should be 0.
Yeah. So why here it will be 0?
Because it is I minus minus. After I, the decrement is coming.
Correct. First I comes. So what is my I value right now current? 0. So that 0 will be taken here.
Yes.
Yes, correct. Then
I should be subtracted -1. The new value of I should be -1.
yeah, 0 minus 1 will be -1.
But j should be still as 0, the final value, because it
Correct.
is I after I it is decrement.
Correct. We have taken that one. So that's why j value will be 0. Good. The same thing. Hey, good. Thanks for Prakash. So now next person. Int I is equal to 0. Int j is equal to plus I. So what will be the output of this one? What is the value of I?
I is 0.
Yeah, just again. I value is 0.
J is +1.
Yes. So this will be 0. J equal to plus I. That means
First it should be added and then only it should be assigned value.
super. Correct. Because first increment comes, so that's why. First increment will happen. 0 plus 1 will be 1. Okay. Then that's what my I value. So any point of time I value will be incremented. But what time it will be incremented? That's what important. So plus I. Now what will happen?
J also 1.
J
Same.
will be also right now. What is my I value right now? That is 1. This is 1. So the J value also will be 1 only. Understood? Any
Sir,
questions?
can we remember plus I means after the change only we should assign the value to the j?
Correct. I plus plus means first you take the I value, then only increment will start. It may be an increment or it might be decrement. Okay.
Yeah, incrementing I is clear, but the value assigning to the j is little bit
That's all right.
confusing.
So what's the problem here means int I equal to 0, int j equal to plus I. Okay. So int j equal to plus I. So now what will happen? Plus I means what? First increment, then only operator will come for me. Okay. So plus I. So first increment a value by 1. Then after that, from my side, so instead of I explain, I want some volunteers. Anyone like to explain? That will be best instead of I'm explaining. Ashla, you like to try?
Only no, I'm still not. Can
You're not
you
clear.
just-
Okay, sure. Nikita, you like to try?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you tell me? So what is
Which one? Post increment or pre increment? Which one?
Yes, this one.
Pre increment. Murli, which one I have to explain?
Yeah, this one. This one. This.
Yeah. Okay. Hold on. First, the I value is 0, so
Yes.
we will assign it at 0.
Yes.
And after that, integer z is equal to plus I. That means we are doing pre-increment here. So
Okay.
first the value will get incremented
Okay.
here. So the
Yes.
I value will become 1.
Yes.
And we will be assigning j value as 1 because we are doing pre-increment here. So first we are incrementing the value and then I comes.
Okay. So
the j will be 1.
yes, 0 plus 1. Now value of I will be what? 1. So then that value will be 1. So my I value also is 1, J value also is 1 here.
Yeah.
Clear? Any questions so far for anyone? So the same thing. Thank you. Thanks, Nikita. So now the same information right now. Int I is equal to 0. Int J is equal to minus I. This is I. This is J. This is J. I value is 0. Any volunteers, guys? Anyone like to try this step? Okay, I'll ask. Sorry, you like to try this step?
Yes, sir. Yeah, Murli.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Sure. Can you tell me?
Hi, Murli.
Yeah. Can you explain me this code? So what
Yeah,
happened?
sure. Yeah. So initially int I equal to 0.
Yes, correct.
So yeah, the next step is j equal to minus I. It's
Yes.
a pre-decrement. So
Yes.
first the decrement will happen. 0 minus means it will be minus 1, and
I
then
value will be incremented by minus 1.
minus 1, and this minus 1 will be assigned to j.
Okay. So now minus I. So now what happened? What is my current I value right now? Minus 1.
Current I value will be minus 1.
Yes. So then after that my J value will be what? Minus 1.
Yeah.
Clear? So we'll see
Yeah.
the same things with some more examples. Everyone at least understood a 60% from this topic. Everyone understood this topic alone? Okay, cool. So now we'll have actually what a 5 minutes break. I don't want to continue the same pace. We'll have a break. Again by 9:45 we'll again connect and then we'll just see some more examples so that you'll be clear. Okay, we'll have a break till 9:45 and then we'll again connect this. Thank you. Hello. Hey, hi guys. We'll start the session. So now we'll execute this program. So we'll see what is the output of this step. So first int I is equal to 0, int j is equal to I plus 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 I plus plus. That's what we need. Anil, what is that? I'm not able to understand. Local memory at the end of the session. I'm not getting. Can you please tell me what is that?
I want just at the end of the session means after getting.
No, I'm not. That is end of the session. Local memory.
Yeah. In local memory, if you can explain more, because now everyone is disturbed, right? So at the end of the session, I want if you can explain local memory.
No, I'm not getting what is the local memory.
I'll type in again.
No. You're saying it is not for this topic, or
Not this topic. Not this.
You're
Not this.
talking about the global variable and then local variable. That step.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Sure. What you do, you just go through the video for today once. Okay, that already existing videos are given to you. Na? The topic I taken. Just go through it, and then again, if you're not able to understand, for sure I will explain that one. But you guys have to try once, because at least if you try once, then only you will feel it easier. But again, by tomorrow also, if you're not getting, please let me know. I will explain for you.
Thank you.
Okay, sure. So int I is equal to 0, int j equal to I plus 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 I plus plus. So now, two memory locations will be created. One is I, another one is j. So I value will be 0 now. So now, Balaji, can you tell me what will happen? I plus 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 I plus. First I plus plus. What will happen here?
Yeah. First, I is assigned as 0.
Yes, correct. Because I plus plus. So first take the I value. What is my I value right now?
It will be 0.
That 0 will be taken. Then?
And then the post increment.
Yes.
Means it will be incremented by 1.
Yes. I value will be incremented by 1. Awesome. Super. Yes. Then plus.
Then we have.
Yes. Now
I will be assigned as 1.
Correct. Because I first comes. So what is my I value currently? 1. So 1 will be taken here. Then?
And then again it's a post increment.
Yes.
Again it will be incremented by 1. So
yes.
it will be 2.
It will be 2 now.
So 1 plus 2.
Yes. Now it will be 2. Then 0 plus 1 will be what? 1. So that means your j value is what right now for me? It's 1. Clear? Any questions? Anyone has any questions? Hey, super Balaji, thank you. Anyone has any questions, guys, in this? Any questions for anyone? Everyone understood this concept? I just want everyone to ping in the chat windows. Yes, if you understood this concept. Everyone, I want.
So, Murli sir, initially the I value is 0, the final value of I is 2.
Yes.
The j value is 1. So, how are we confirming that j is equal to 1 based on the first increment?
No.
Or the last but one increment?
So right now, I plus plus gives me 0.
Correct.
Then plus. Then again this I plus plus, what was my value right now that gave me? It is 1 here. So 0 plus 1, that will be 1. Here, initially, gradually, because of this step, I memory location will be incremented. When you give I plus plus or plus plus I, always I value will be incremented by 1. Okay. When you give plus plus first or I first, based on that, that value will be taken here. That's the thing. Clear?
Yes.
Everyone understood, guys? I want from everyone only 3 members has given. That means, do I need to think whether it's everyone understood or it's like you're not understood? I want, even if you're not understood, I want everyone to ping as no at least, because it's actually what an important topic. Okay, Nikita, Pushpanjali, okay, partially understood, cool. Then next program you will understand. Anyone is there that you have not understood anything? I just want, anyone is there that you have not understood anything? Or everyone understood partially also is okay for me, because the next programs you guys will understand. Cool. Yeah. So next we'll go. We'll execute this program. So now we'll see what is the output of this. What is my I value and then the J value. So now, Chitra, can you help me in executing this step? So first I plus plus. So first I value is 1 here.
1.
So I plus plus, what will happen right now?
J will be 1. Then I will be 2.
So first
J will be 1.
Okay. No. First, actually explain me in this way. I plus plus. So first what? I. What is my I value here?
1.
1. So 1 will be taken here. Then
increment of I.
Yes. Now I value will be incremented by plus 1. So 1 plus 1 will be what? 2.
2.
That's what will happen here. Okay. So next plus. Now what will happen?
Now I is 2.
Correct. Now what is my I value? It's 2.
2.
Then minus.
1. That is 1. Again I will be 1.
Yes. Minus 1 will be 1. That's right. A superb. Thanks, Chitra. So now next, Ashila, can you explain me the next 2 things?
Okay. So it is minus minus I.
Yes.
So I is 1. So 1 minus.
Minus minus I means what will happen? First minus minus comes means my I value will be decremented by
1.
Minus 1. So 1 minus 1 will be
0.
0. Will be 0 here. Yes, correct. So then
now it's plus plus I.
No. Now what will be the value will be taken here? After that I comes. Now I will be taken as 0 here.
So 0, yeah.
Yes. Then
so plus plus I.
Yes.
So I value is 0.
So first plus plus I.
So plus it is 1 plus I value. I is 0. So I will be 1 again.
So I memory location will be incremented by plus 1. That is 0 plus 1 will be 1.
1.
Yes. Then
Uh,
what will happen here?
The value will be 1.
Yes. Now the I value will
value.
be taken here.
Yes.
Okay. Super. Hey, thanks, Ashila.
Yeah.
Now, Pushpanjali.
Yeah, Murli.
Yeah. Can you explain me the next two things?
Yeah, first the value is I, and so the increment will be taken. So I plus 1.
No. Plus I. That means what will happen?
Yeah, first the increment will be taken, then plus I means 1. 0 plus 1, 1.
No. Plus I. So first, what will happen?
The increment will be taken. Here I is equal to 1.
Here means in the memory location or
Yeah,
here?
in the memory location.
Yes. In memory location, what will happen?
The I value is 1. So the increment will be taken.
Yes.
And then plus 1. So it will be 2 here.
Super. So plus I. So what will happen? First increment the I memory location by 1. So already 1 is there. 1 plus 1 will be 2 for me.
Yeah.
Then?
And then plus. And
No.
here again I. Here 2 will be coming here.
Correct. Now after that only I comes. So now takes the I value, that is 2.
2.
Yes. Super. Then?
And then here plus.
Yes.
Here I value is 2 in the memory location.
Yeah.
So after that increment will be taken.
Sorry?
2.
Okay. So I plus plus. So take the I value. What is my I value right now? That is 2.
2.
2 taken. Then plus plus. Now what happened?
And then plus 1.
Yeah. So that will be
3.
Yes, correct. It will be 3.
6.
Yes. Then
And then again plus. Now here again I here in the memory location is 3.
yes.
And then 3 minus 1, 2.
So 3. Then minus minus. Here it will be 2 finally. I value will be 2.
2.
Yes, correct. So my final I value is 2. What is my J value is? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 2
4
is
minus 2, 2.
2. 2
Plus
plus
2,
2 is
4.
4. 4 plus 3 is
7.
7. So J value will be 7. That's what. Clear? Hey, thanks, Pushpanjali.
Yeah.
So now I'll execute the program. Right click, run as Java application. It's 2 and then 7. The same thing for the before program. If you see, run as Java application. 2 and 1. 2 and then 1. Okay. Okay. So now the next program, guys. Now let me know whether you're clear somewhat compared to before. You guys are clear right now. You understood now? Okay, good. So now we'll go to the next program. So now, output of this one we'll see. So now, what is my I value and what is my j value? That's what we are going to see. Int I equal to 0, so 0. J equal to I plus minus minus I plus plus plus. So we'll go. So we'll ask for 1. Now, Nikita, can
Yeah.
you explain me?
Yeah. J is equal to minus minus 1. So we are here pre-decrementing. So
Yeah.
I value will become minus 1 in memory location.
Yes, super. Minus 1.
And here also it will print minus 1.
Correct. Then here also it will be minus 1. Yes. Because first minus minus I it comes. So first it will be decrementing the memory location by 1. Then after that the value of the memory location will be taken. Okay.
Then
Then
next I plus plus. So in memory location the value will become 0.
no, I plus plus. So that means what? First I comes.
Yeah, so in memory location the value will change to 0.
No.
No?
First actually what? Memory location will not be done. Why? Because I plus plus. So first that means take the I value from the memory location. So what is my value of
Minus
minus
1.
1? So minus 1 will be taken. Okay. Then after that, now only actually what? The increment is there. That increment will minus 1 plus 1. It will be 0.
0, yeah.
Yes. Then next.
Next, I minus minus. So it will take value as 0 here.
Yes. I minus 1. So first take the
Value 0.
Yes.
And in memory location, it will be minus 1.
Yes. It will be minus 1. Yes. Correct.
Then plus plus I. So here we are doing pre-increment. So the value will be 1 here.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks, I'll just ask someone. Hey, super.
Yeah.
Thank you. So now next, Ramya, can you explain me the next 3 elements? What will be my output? Plus plus I. What will happen right now? Sapin, can you explain me the next one? Next 3s.
Yeah, it's like plus plus I. It's
Yes.
a pre-increment.
Okay.
Okay, first like it will take it will increment in memory location. It will increment minus 1. Like it will be plus 1.
So plus plus I. That means what? First what?
Yeah.
Plus it's coming.
Plus it comes.
That means I value now
So
it will be incremented. Memory location will be incremented by
plus 1. Like
so
minus 1 plus 1. It will be 0.
0. Yes. Then
I value is 0 here. 0 plus
yes.
Same it will happen here. Like it will increment here in memory location. It will increment I value by 1. 0. It will become 1.
Yes. Then
now here I value is 1.
so plus plus I. So now my I value right now that is 1.
1.
Yes. Then
Plus this is
I
then
minus
here
minus.
I
So first what?
minus I value is 1.
Yes, correct. 1.
1 it will take, and it's a decrement. So here it will 1 minus 1. It will become 0. memory location I value will become 0.
Yes. Awesome.
So final I value is 0.
So yes, I value is 0. What is my j value?
0. -1 plus -1 like
That will be -2.
-2.
Yes, correct. Then plus 0 plus 0 is
0 plus 0.
then 1 plus 1.
2. Then
Yeah.
j value is 0.
Yes, so that is 2. Then j value also is 0. Okay, so I value plus j value both are 0. So we'll run it. See, 0 and 0. That's how. Okay. Anyone has any questions, guys? Anyone has any questions, guys? I want everyone to ping in the chat windows. Yes, if you understood. Anyone has any questions?
A quick question, please. Can you show the diagram once?
Yeah. Yes. Let's finish.
Yeah. So here, 1, 2, 3, fourth and fifth steps. Even if you take I++, also the output won't be any different, right? Not this from the diagram, sir. From the diagram.
Okay.
Okay. Minus I, then plus I plus plus I minus minus, and the next step is plus plus I, and then it is plus plus I. But even if you take I plus plus and I plus plus, yeah, that one, the fourth and fifth, the last but one and last but two. We are taking plus plus I, whatever result we are getting, I am seeing even if I take I plus plus also, I would get the same result.
Correct. The only thing is at what point of time the I memory location will be incremented, and then the current value of that one will be taken. Based on that only my output depends.
Okay, but need not be the different results, right?
No, results will
my
be,
logic is wrong. Yeah,
results
same
will be,
0.
most probably will be same.
Yeah, okay.
Any
so
question?
Sorry?
No, I'm just asking. Any questions for anyone?
Hello, Murli.
Yes, Mr. Me. Hi.
Murli, actually, whatever this increment and decrement is happening, it will depend on how the memory is getting allocated, right? Like now, if it is plus plus, that will not come into the execution value, but it will get allocated so that the next increment or decrement will get affected.
Correct.
That's right, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Clear, guys, for everyone?
Yeah.
So I'm going to give you an assignment. Ashley, you have any questions? Ashley, you have any questions?
Clear, Murli.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So I'm going to give you an assignment based on that. So a little bit easiest one, but actually also tricky. So this program, I want you guys to do it as an assignment. Okay. Okay. So I'll forward this program to you all as an assignment. Okay. So it's actually one easiest one, but actually I made it little bit in a tricky way so that you guys will get confused on this. So you will be understanding it in a tomorrow's session. Okay. Guys, with this, I'll stop for today. I'll just need one small information. So it's like all the persons have made the payment. Okay. So make sure you can install the Telegram app, and then you can just ping me from there as hi usage of this batch something, so that I will be adding you to the testing openings group where you get the openings information from the testing industry. Okay. Okay. Okay, cool, guys. Thank you so
Sir,
much.
is it only in India, sir? Is it only in India?
Sorry? Yeah, it's actually only for India alone, right? It's only for India. Okay, yes.
You will add in that testing opening groups now only.
The who have done the payment. Okay, just give me in the chat window. Sorry, not chat window. Install the Telegram app and then give me your information. So I will be adding you into the testing opening group. So you will get openings from the students. So it's like 90% all are working professionals only. So you'll get more openings information from Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, or all those places. Okay, guys.
Murli, I have a question.
Yeah. Tell me.
So, are we doing any live project also? Or,
Yes, for framework, we will be doing with the project. ActiveTime is a project, which is a project management system. With that, we will be doing.
can you send me that link, please? Just I want to explore on that.
Sure. I'll send you that. I'll just give you now only. Nothing. You just go here. Just give your as ActiveTime download. Okay, ActiveTime download. So here you can see. Go to the official website itself. Okay. Go to this place.
So is it your own software?
No. It's actually an open software.
Okay.
Open software. You can just use it. Okay, guys. Just ActiveTime download if you give, you'll get that. Okay. Any questions, or we can close the session, guys? So from tomorrow onwards, actually, what it will be like that only the paid members will be joining the sessions, guys. Okay. So today onwards, actually, the free sessions are completed. From tomorrow, it's only the paid members will be joining. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Please, sir, can you send me the syllabus, please?
Who is this? Anila?
This is Prakash here. Prakash.
Om Prakash. Sure, Prakash. I'll just send you. If anyone needs over there, let me know. Just give me the chat window or ping me. I'll just send you. Prakash, I'll forward you now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.